Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how these work.
And again, as a regular store that we always be in.
So, we have some new
utensils that'll dad bought for us.
It's green and yellow, and we'll show how to use it.
I totally forgot.
So, we have this part. So, this is the magic clicker. So, it's like this. So, this yellow part here, we have to make it up. 1 minute.
I don't think I tried that.
And then this part goes down. And then you can keep it like this. And then you press down here.
It's kind of like a staple.
And like that.
It's like a staple.
And that's how you do it.
Parents listen to this.
And here's the lid. And this is actually kind of smart because it doesn't go a full circle. It just goes a little part away
Because
from
of the handle.
Because of the handle.
Yeah. And it's for every single lid. We did get a few more over there. But we just wanted to show you guys these ones just so we can not waste as much time.
And then there's cooking tools.
High five. Second.
Okay, let me do one more. 5. There.
I like that.
Okay.
I like it.
So now we have these. So what are these? So I'll tell you what it is.
Yeah.
So whenever you're cooking, make sure you don't cook with this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you ever have
Whenever you're finished cooking, then you do this. Okay, and then whenever you're finished cooking, you keep it down like this. And it's like this. So instead of getting the table hot, it will get this hot.
Yeah.
And
then
then
we're not bored.
And then whenever you're finished using these all,
Like
you can unclip this.
Oh,
Whatever.
I'll get that. Listen to
Thanks,
him.
Daniel. And then it has all these because it's like this. I'll show you. How could I do this? Control the other side.
This
Please.
side?
No, the bottom.
Oh.
And then we could add it like this. And then these parts go inside.
Like it looks like a flower, but it's not bloomed
I
yet.
kind of like these are mine.
Yeah.
Because I really want one. Mom is going to cook a silver, nice pomfret fish. One more high five. 3, 2, 1.
Oh. I did one too early.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Now my mom had added the olive oil. Now she's adding the silver pomfret. Now she added 2 silver pomfret. We'll see how it will look.
Running wild.
mom has made a silver knife with.
I'm gonna blow it so it doesn't stay hot so I can eat it all up. And this is the new fan that my dad bought.
And
And it has
the salad.
with it. I love it. Sea level is one of these.
Bye, like and subscribe.
Staring at the fish. I love fish. I really love it. And I love
And besides that, I love salad too. Why not the fish too? Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Like
Bye.
and subscribe.